This thing is done, man. The holes further up are completely crusted shut. So we've got these stainless ones. Guess how much for one? $100. Crazy. All right, there's number one. So these are log lighters. These are designed to be turned on temporarily to set fire to the logs. Because this is a real chimney right here. This isn't for your fake fireplace. This is the real deal here, folks. Fireplace number two. Man, that's requires no skill, but maybe it does require skill, because that took a lot longer than I thought, man. Jeez. With that being so close, it was getting kind of hard to spin it. They should probably have a chimney guy come over here and look at all this, no? Well, there you go. Those are 24-inch stainless steel. I couldn't figure out how to get this thing out, the log holder or whatever you call it. So that's it. That's the gas shut off right there. So you just turn it on, just let a little bit of gas out, and it'll create a flame, light the logs, and then you turn it off. That's how it works.
Interpreting back and forth. Just let him know, Lisa. He's the man. It's like that. Are you still there, Lisa?